Hey guys, it's Melissa Emily back with look 2 of the Valentine's Day looks that I'm doing. But first, please ignore this lovely pimple in between my eyebrows. It's massive. My last one was a Glam cut crease. So if you guys haven't watched that one, I will leave the link down below. This video is a voiceover, so I don't know, some people like them, some people don't. So comment down below if you guys prefer voiceovers or if you prefer me talking. So today's look is going to be using the Naked 3 palette. It's an oldie, like OG product from, I don't know, like 5 years ago. And so it's going to be using that. So it's going to be a natural look with a bold lip. And the lip I'm using is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics I'm Shook liquid lipstick, which is the Manny MUA collaboration. If you guys don't want a bold lip, then you can easily switch it out with like a nude lip or a mauve lip or mauve, whatever it is. Pretty much anything you want to do. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then just keep watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's just get on into the video. Alright, so I'm taking my NARS eye primer and I'm just going to be priming my eyes with the primer and just blending it in. Next, I'm just awkwardly showing you guys the Naked 3 palette, and first I'm taking the color Limit, which is a very nice neutral shade, and I'm just blending that into my crease. Next, I'm taking a dark color with a more defined crease brush, and it's called Nooner, and just putting that even deeper into my crease to define my crease even more. Back with the shade Limit, I'm just going to be blending out that Nooner color just so there's no harsh lines. Then I'm taking the color Trick and just kind of adding that just a little bit. It's not too noticeable, but I just wanted to add a little bit of bronze into the look. Then I'm taking my Stila eyeshadow in Kitten and using my finger and just putting that all over my lid. When you use your finger, it makes it more pigmented, which I favor instead of a brush, so anytime I want a metallic color, I will use my fingers. Then I'm taking Factory with a defined pencil, like a pencil brush, and just putting that into my outer V, just to deepen up the whole look. Then I'm going to be blending it out just so there's no harsh lines once again, and just kind of smudging it closer to my lash line. Then I'm going back in with Kitten and reapplying it just because it got a little diluted. Then I'm taking the color Dust, which is a very powdery, like chalky eyeshadow, so just be careful. There's a lot of fallout with this, and I'm just adding it on top of my eyeshadow. And now I'm taking my MAC liner and just tight lining my waterline and my lash line. Now I'm taking Limit and putting that underneath. And And then I'm taking Nooner and smudging that also underneath. Next, I'm taking Factory and putting that closer to my waterline just to give it a more defined look and just deepen up the whole look, make it more smoky. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational and putting that on my eyelashes, and then I will be back as I'm going to be putting on lashes because I fail at putting them on camera, so we'll be back for that. Now, I totally failed and wasn't recording during the first little bit of this, but I am just applying my Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in I'm Shook, and it's very bold, like reddish orange lip, and I'm just applying that to my lips to complete the whole look. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. Give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!